the mind that is wandering away, that is past mind. When you pay attention again to the breath, it's already new mind. That's why if we can learn Abhidhamma, it will be such great help to improve our meditation practice. But even without Abhidhamma, you still can improve in samatha, in meditation.
Sotapatti, Sakadagami, Anagami, Arahat. Nibbanang, Nibbanang, Nibbanang. May all beings be happy. May samsara be empty.